To make a flash transition in Adobe Premiere Pro, first place two clips adjacent to each other on the timeline. Then create a new adjustment layer from the project panel. Right-click on Adjustment Layer and click on Speed Duration. Set its duration to 8 and click OK. Now drag this adjustment layer over the clips where you want the transition. Adjust the length of this layer to match the desired transition duration. Next, go to the Effects panel, find the Brightness and Contrast effect, and apply it to the adjustment layer. Now go to the start of the adjustment layer. Then, in the Effect Controls panel, click this clock to start a keyframe. Now move in the middle of adjustment layer, and now increase brightness. Now finally go the end of adjustment layer and set the brightness level to 0. Now check your transition. That's it. Thank you for watching.